Hi, I'm Randy, and I was talking to my uncle yesterday, who's kind of likes to make cool things and sort of, he likes it when you do crazy stuff. So, Uncle Andy, this is what I'm doing. I'm melting aluminum. Try and get a zoom in on it without burning your camera. So there's a bucket made just from Walmart, made of stainless steel. This is plaster Paris, so I don't burn the bucket and it doesn't get hot. That's a piece of steel pipe that I welded some steel plate on the bottom of, because the steel doesn't get hot enough to melt in this. I put charcoal inside there. Come around. I have a hair dryer going through a pipe. I'm blowing hot air into here. Come around. You can kind of see the hole. Blowing hot air into the bottom so it melts the aluminum pretty fast when you push on it. This is all, we do construction, so this is all of our metal that we do from Renos. And all of you people who are worried about our health, we do construction, so we're not actually concerned about our safety. Otherwise, we get a desk job. So this is us melting metal with paint on it. Okay? And we're turning them into ingots. Check it out. So we separate all the dross from the metal, the aluminum, and we pour the aluminum in here. So in a few minutes we'll take another video. In a few minutes we'll do another video of us with the fresh metal, and I'll take the dross off, and then we'll pour some more muffins. So we're here almost ready to pour, so I'm just going to show you. I'm going to fill up a little more coal into the burner. And just watch what I do for the next few minutes. We're going to pour some more metal. Come close and check it out. So there's metal in there, still just melting down. I'm not going to fill it all the way up this time. Found an old railroad spike. I'm using that for my stir stick. I'll burn my ears. I've got the top of an old wood stove I'm using just to keep the heat in, so I can get it nice and hot. We're just using normal charcoal, barbecue charcoal to make this. You can see the bag. Uh-oh, don't fall. Come closer, get a shot. To this side, Shane. Get in close so you can see the metal. You can even see the dip stick. All the old junk's gone. So this is just a little extra that I couldn't fit in the muffin tin. So I'll remelt that in a second. So we're just taking some old metal and sticking it in the pipe, and then it starts to melt. Get some video closer. Okay, so I forgot to show you the muffins. When they're cool enough, you can just pop them out of the tin. So I just go like this. That's it. So my uncle's gonna ask me where I got the cool grabby thing. So this is what it is. It's just a log thing for grabbing firewood. That's it. So I just bent it a little more so I can grab my crucible. So it works really well, as long as you have gloves on.